Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to try my Magic 8 skull again. This time learning from the mistakes of the last one. I'll insert a clip here of how the last one turned out so you can see it. So, I have already poured in, this was weeks ago, a tiny little dollop of clear resin right in the middle. And this is my bigger skull mold. Do I still have the other one up here? I don't. The other one was also matte. This one is not. This is a shiny mold. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is dust it. I've got black holographic glitter here. This is the same glitter that I used in the last one, but because it was a matte mold instead of glossy, it didn't really stick very well and it didn't look great. So we're going to try this again. So I'm going to dust the mold with that. I'm going to clean off that clear dollop because that's going to be our seeing eye, I guess, our window to the future. I've got some white dye here. You know, it says the usual stuff, like, yeah, I think. Sure. Anyway, and then I've got my little ornament. So, I'm going to use my little saw. I'm hoping, here's what I'm hoping, because, you know, I have to cut off quite a lot in order to fit this in here. I'm hoping that if I heat this up with my heat gun, maybe it'll be softer, it'll get softer, and then it'll be easier to cut this out. But yeah, I'm going to cut this off, place the dye in there, place the water with the mica powder. I think I'm going to use probably a white mica powder. Should I do white? Because this is white. I don't know. I'll think on it. Maybe a gold, I'm not sure. So the water, the mica powder, and then seal it off like I did the last one, and then place it inside. It will fit in here. I don't want to move this too much because I'm not trying to disrupt the... Oh God, will it fit in here? Look, I'm going to be so mad if this doesn't fit in here. Yes, it fits in there. Okay, good. About to scare myself. I am going to be pouring this in 2 layers so that the this doesn't float. And yeah. Okay. I'm excited to try this again. We'll see if it works. This is Resinween after all, so if it doesn't work, then we'll blame the ghosties. Okay. Let's get started.
Something spooky.
It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. So this has glow in the dark. I think both of them are glow in the dark. I can't remember. But it's just a little cat. But then I've got these two little cameo pieces. This one's got a gigantic hole in it. User error. It's almost like the resin couldn't get under that spider. Okay. And then here's the other one. That one also has a hole. What the heck? What did I do wrong? I don't know. But anyway, that's today's kind of disappointing bonus unmolding. Okay, friends. Before I show this to you, I need you to know and understand how sad and disappointed I am. But also that I did let this ornament piece sit for an entire day with no leaks. So I don't know what happened. But clearly something leaked. Very clearly. It's so frustrating. Let's get it out. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. I am no longer excited for this piece. I was so excited for it. And then I came down and I saw that. Well. And it also looks like the glitter didn't really attach to it all that well. I really, really wanted this to work. I'm hoping it still looks kind of cool at the top. Well, what the hell? Oh, there we go. Okay. Hold on, let me put this back into shape before it warps. Oh, I'm so sad. It still works, I guess. What the hell? What happened? Ugh. And I know that a lot of you are probably thinking, well, duh, Megan, you used clear resin. But I've made a skull with dusting the mold. This mold in particular with the blue glitter. No. That's exactly what I'm thinking, Magic Ink Skull. This is a no for me. God. I will get this right one of these days. I will get it right. And of course now it's mocking me. It's like, are you sure about that? No. I'm so upset. Look at that. What the hell? I was so excited. I was so ready for this to be like a massive win and for it to look really cool. And it's still mocking me. Sure. Sure you were. I was. Don't mock me. Now it's saying nope. This whole project was a nope, apparently. Okay, well, you know, I gotta say, out of 13 projects this month, at least one had to be a fail, right? At least one. Yeah. And this clearly, this is not in the correct spot, or maybe this wasn't in the correct spot, and you can still see the back of the ball because the mica powder didn't work all that well. Okay, well, anyway, that's today's video. I'm heartbroken. If you enjoyed this for whatever it is, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.